Hey everybody, you're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I want to show you some of my favorite new FPV goggles from Skyzone. So stay tuned and we'll check them out. So first of all, these Skyzone FPV goggles were provided by GearBest. Thank you to GearBest for sending them to me. And I have to say, I really like these guys a lot. I have not been using my Omways or my Fat Sharks nearly as much since I got these because these just have a lot of cool things going for them. First of all, they come with a case that is big enough to hold a lot of stuff. I appreciate that. A nice little zipper case. The goggles fit right in, battery, spare battery, antennas, screwdriver, instructions, all that stuff fits in this case. Which is a small thing, but it just really makes a difference when you don't have to have a bunch of stuff lying loose. Now, these are not the antennas that came with it. These are antennas that I already had that I really like, and so that's what I'm using. And also, this is actually a Fat Shark battery that I'm using with it. So it's a standard 2S battery that fits right into this little slot on the side. I have to say, I love my Omway goggles, but I never liked the way the battery fit on it because it always fell down. This has a really great strap for holding the battery in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and screw these antennas in. While I'm doing that, I will tell you that I am also going to be flying the Tiny 7 Ready to Fly FPV racer. I've been flying this thing a lot lately, and it's my new favorite indoor FPV racer. It's small, it's very powerful. It comes with a full-size remote control that's already bound to it, so you don't have to mess with any of that. It's from KingKong, Ready to Fly, and again, it's called the Tiny 7. I'll put a link to it as well. But the combination of that with these goggles has just really made my love for FPV get even better. It's been wintertime, it's been cold outside, it's been rainy. It's a nice day today, but it's kind of windy, so I'm indoors, and there's somebody mowing their lawn, so it's really loud. So I just want to fly it around in the house a little bit and kind of show you what this thing can do. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the battery, and I've got a signal, because I've already been running this particular quad with these glasses. Now, there are a few things you can do on the top here in terms of recording, taking pictures, changing channels, head tracking, etc. And there is actually a camera built into the outside of this thing. So right now, I hit the camera button. I can actually see what's going on around me. There's a little tiny camera right here, and I guess that's to allow you to put them on. And if you don't want to take them off, you can just hit that camera button, see what's in front of you, and then hit it again and go back to the view. So I'm going to actually try recording onto the SD card, and it's recording now. And I'm curious if I'm recording and I hit the camera. Yeah. So I wonder if it's recording this, that you can actually see the camera now. And now I'll switch back to the quadcopter here. So there it is. Let's take it for a little flight around the room, around the house. And yeah, the video signal on this is just amazing. Kind of doing a little gliding along the ground. Okay, let's get in the air. This thing's so fast too that you really got to be careful in a tight space like this. And I mean, even when I'm around the corner like that, there's hardly any dropout in the video at all. It's just crystal clear. Now, yes, I am flying in stabilized mode, and yes, I know I'm a wimp for that, but I can tell you that it's just so much more fun than acro for me right now. I have been flying outdoors in acro a bit more, but in the house, I'm just going to stick stabilized because it just makes the experience more fun, and I feel like I can just get better at the basics here. Felt that and saw it. Like I said, this thing is just a beast as far as taking a beating. Try and go up over here, go through here, and down the stairs. Whoa. Wow. Okay, through the kitchen, getting better at that. Around the corner. Through the kitchen again. There you go. So this is just a quick video. I realize there's a lot more I could talk about with these goggles. Again, the reason I like them, everything's clearly labeled on the top, the camera, the recording, the photo, up, down, head tracking, etc. They have the ability to do actually focus for your eyes. So if you wear glasses or if you need to move the diopters inside to adjust your eyes, you can do that. They've got HDMI input, as well as a USB input, and you can record with the DVR that's built in, and of course that's footage I was just showing you. And again, the little KingKong ready to fly #7 is just amazing. I love this little quad for flying around indoors. You can see it's pretty easy to fly. You know, I'm not a great pilot, but certainly this thing is really forgiving and it takes a beating. Both these things are available on GearBest. I'll put links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos about drones, I hope you'll subscribe to Ready Set Drone. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.